Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. I will be presenting you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So let's begin and go through all the jobs pertaining to this week one by one. The first vacancy which a commerce graduate can also apply is for the recruitment of assistant commandant by UPSC. Friends, it's a group A gazetted officer post and there are total 209 vacancies. The upper age limit is 25 years. It's a permanent nature of employment and you don't need to have any experience to apply for this post. The package would be around 10.5 lakhs gross. Friends, it's an online mode of application to be done by 7 September 2020. Next vacancy is from Chennai Metro Rail Limited for the recruitment of assistant manager or deputy manager or manager finance and accounts. The educational qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. It's a one vacancy post, friends. The upper age limit is 38 years. It's a contractual post. The experience asked for assistant manager is 2 years, for deputy manager it is 4 years, and for manager finance and account it is 7 years. Friends, the package would be between 4.8 lakhs to rupees 9.6 lakhs per annum, depending upon the position for which you are applying. It's an offline mode of application to be done by 18 September 2020. Next vacancy is from Central Silk Board, which is a statutory body under Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, for the recruitment of 5 posts of Deputy Director, Administration and Accounts. Friends, the upper age limit to apply for this vacancy is 56 years. It's a deputation post. That means only those who are already in government service can apply for this post. The experience asked is serving of government officers holding analogous post or 5 years of experience in level 10. The package would be around 13.14 lakhs gross. It's an offline mode of application to be done by 27th October 2020. Next vacancy is from Department of Financial Services, which is under Ministry of Finance, Government of India, for the recruitment of 12 posts of Assistant Registrar. The upper age limit is 56 years. Again, a post of deputation, friends, for officers holding analogous post or having 5 years of experience in level 9, 6 years in level 8 or 7 years experience in level 7. And those who are already in public sector banks as scale 4 officers or having 3 years in Scale 3 are also eligible to apply for this post. The package would be around 13.14 lakhs per annum and it's an offline mode of application to be done by 20th October 2020. Next vacancy again from Department of Financial Services for the recruitment of recovery officers. Total 16 vacancies are there, friends. Again, a deputation post. The upper age limit is 56 years. The experience, package, mode of application and last date is also same as shown in the previous advertisement. Next vacancy is from Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, a Government of India enterprise, for the recruitment of 1 post of secretarial officers. The educational qualification asked is BCom with CA or CS Inter. The upper age limit is 35 years, friends. It's a contractual post and you need to have 2 years of internship or training in central public sector undertaking. The package would be around 4.8 lakhs. An offline mode of application to be done by 30th September 2020. Next vacancy is from National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, which is an autonomous institute under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India, for the recruitment of 1 post of accountant. The qualification asked is bachelor's degree in commerce. Hence, the age limit to apply for this post is 35 years and you need to have 3 years of experience. It's a permanent post and the package would be around 8.5 lakhs gross. First, you have to apply online by 24th September 2020 and you have to send the hard copy of the online application to National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research by 30th September 2020. Next vacancy again from the same organization for recruitment of storekeeper. The educational qualification asked is bachelor's degree in science or commerce. Friends, rest all the details like age limit, nature of employment, experience, package, mode of application and last date is same as described in the previous advertisement. Next vacancy is for the recruitment of assistant grade 2 administration, again from the same organization, for the recruitment of for educational qualification they have asked is bachelor's degree in commerce. There are 2 vacancies and the age limit is 35 years. It's a permanent post, friends, and you don't need to have any experience to apply for this post. The package would be around 5.7 lakhs gross. Mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous advertisement. A gentle reminder, friends, for those who have applied for SEBI Grade A exam officer post and are looking for quality content to practice the technical syllabus, please visit financemcq.in. where we are presenting the entire technical syllabus in MCQ format. We are presenting 2000 plus subject wise, topic wise MCQ questions to practice, and we have added explanation for correct answers wherever required. Apart from these, we have added 25 national level test series covering the entire technical syllabus of SEBI Grade A officer exam for more and more practice. So please do visit financemcq.in once. Next vacancy is from Unique Identification Authority of India, a statutory authority which is passed under Aadhaar Act 2016. Friends, the recruitment is for 5 posts of Assistant Accounts Officer. There are the upper age limit is 56 years. It's a deputation post again, friends, for officers holding analogous post or having 3 years of experience in level 7, 5 years of experience in level 6, or officers holding either a CA or a CMA degree are eligible to apply for this post. The package would be around 9 lakhs gross. It's an offline mode of application to be done by 15 September 2020. Next vacancy again from UIDAI for the recruitment of accountant. 3 vacancies are there, friends. Again a deputation post. The upper age limit is 56 years and the experience they have asked is officers holding analogous post or 3 years in level 4, 5 years in level 3, or officers holding graduation in commerce. So package they will be giving would be around 5.7 lakhs gross. Again an offline mode of application to be done by 15 September 2020. Next vacancy is from Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority for the recruitment of 1 post of Section Officer Administration and Finance. Again a deputation post, friends, for those officers holding analogous post or having 6 years experience in level 6 or 2 years experience in level 7. Friends, the package would be around 8.5 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline within 45 days of this advertisement. Next vacancy is from Broadcast Engineering Consultant India Private Limited, which is a mini Ratna company under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The recruitment would be 1 post for Assistant Manager Accounts. The education qualification asked is a degree in commerce. Friends, the age limit would be between 30 to 40 years. It's a contractual post, friends, and you need to have 7 years of experience to apply for these posts. The package would be around 3.6 lakhs per annum and you have to apply online by 21st September 2020. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of accountant. The vacancies is total 22 vacancies. Education qualification asked is MCOM or CA intern or CMA intern. The age limit would be between 30 to 40 years. Friends, again a contractual post. The experience they have asked is 2 years. The package would be around 2.5 lakhs and you have to apply online by 21st September 2020. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 10 posts of lower divisional clerk, and the education qualification they have asked is any graduate and he should have a diploma of 6 months in computer course and the age limit is 25 years. It's a contractual post again, friends, and you don't have to have any experience to apply for these posts. The package would be around 2.4 lakhs per annum and you have to apply online by 21st September 2020. Friends, next vacancy is from Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board, a statutory body for the recruitment of finance level 2. The education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or MBA finance or master's degree in commerce or economics. The number of vacancies is 1. Again a contractual post, friends. The experience they have asked is 5 years of experience. The package would be around 9 lakhs and they will be providing 10% annual increment every year. It's an offline mode of application and documents have to reach Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board by 18 September 2020. So that's all, friends. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this would be of some help in your career. Please like, share and subscribe. And we will meet next week again with all the latest updates of government jobs pertaining to that week. Till then, take care.